Today I'm going to show you how to edit your Beehiiv website step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you run a newsletter or create a website on Beehiiv, knowing how to update your pages, change your content, and publish those changes quickly can save you a lot of time. We'll go through the full process together, from opening the website builder to reviewing your site on desktop and mobile, and then publishing everything live. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website option in the left-hand menu or main navigation area. Click Website to open the Website Management section. This is where Beehiiv keeps all of your website pages, settings, and design tools in one place. Next, click Website Builder. The website builder is where you can make visual edits to your Beehiiv site without needing to code. It gives you access to your pages, layout controls, and design options, so you can quickly update the way your site looks and what it says. Now open the page you want to edit. Depending on your setup, this could be your homepage, about page, archive page, subscribe page, or any other custom page you've created. Once you find the page you want, click Edit Page. This will open the editing interface for that specific page. The first thing you'll want to update is the page title. Your page title is important because it helps visitors and search engines understand what the page is about. Make sure the title is clear, relevant, and matches the content of the page. A good title can make your website look much more polished and professional. After that, edit the page content. This is where you can rewrite your text, update your messaging, add new sections of copy, or clean up anything outdated. If you're promoting a newsletter, product, lead magnet, or personal brand, now is the time to make sure your content is clear and engaging. Keep the wording simple and easy to scan so visitors understand your message quickly. You can also add or remove sections as needed. Beehiiv makes it easy to adjust the structure of your page depending on the goal you want to achieve. If a section no longer fits your page, remove it. If you need more space for testimonials, features, calls to action, or extra information, add a section that supports your content. This helps you create a website that feels more intentional and better organized. Next, update images and logos. If your branding has changed, or if you simply want a fresher look, swap out old visuals for new ones. Make sure your logo is high quality and your images look clean on both desktop and mobile. Strong visuals can make a big difference in how professional your Beehiiv site feels. Now move on to customizing colors and fonts. This is where you can match the website to your brand identity. Adjust the colors so they fit your brand palette and choose fonts that are easy to read. A consistent design makes your website look more trustworthy and helps everything feel cohesive across the page. After that, edit the navigation menu items. Your navigation menu helps visitors move around your site, so make sure the labels are clear and the links point to the right pages. If you've added a new page or removed an old one, update the menu so your visitors always have a smooth experience. Once you've made your edits, take a moment to review your changes carefully. Look through the page section by section and make sure everything appears the way you want it to. Check for spelling mistakes, broken links, spacing issues, and anything that might need one last adjustment. Then click Preview. The preview mode is extremely helpful because it lets you see your website before publishing it live.
Use this to check how the website looks on desktop first, and then switch to mobile view to make sure everything is responsive and easy to navigate on smaller screens. Mobile design is especially important because many visitors will see your site on their phones. If everything looks good, click Save. Saving keeps your changes in the builder so nothing is lost while you're still working. After that, click Publish Changes to push your updated Beehiiv website live. This is the final step that makes your edits visible to your audience. And that's it. You now know how to edit a Beehiiv website from start to finish. You learned how to open the website builder, edit your page title and content, adjust sections, update branding, preview your site, and publish your changes confidently. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Beehiiv tutorials and creator tools made easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.